Alright, what's up everyone? Good morning. Hopefully you guys are all doing good. Live chat is unavailable. I need to refresh the chat. It's still unavailable. I don't know why that is. Let me try it one more time. Sorry, live chat is unavailable. Okay, I'm gonna get out my phone and look at it on my phone. That's weird. That doesn't normally happen. Anyway, we are live. Good morning. I'm gonna go over what I am thinking so far for the morning. That's weird. That doesn't normally. And yeah. So, I really want the chat to show up here personally. So why is it not? Wait, if I close out... What if I close out OBS? All streams will be shut down. Okay, that's probably not what I want. Alright, it's not a big deal. I can still read chat here. Hey, what up, random guy? Yes, you're first, dude. You're first. Yeah, so you can't see it on my screen, but typically I look at chat on my computer and it's saying it's unavailable on my computer, so I have it on my phone. I don't know why that is, but let's go over what I'm thinking so far for the morning, talk about price action in general. We are moving lower. I did not a ton of pre-market analysis, but I did do a little bit. We have this overnight gap from last week. I'm looking at as possible draw on liquidity. Once again, whoops. Once again, we had that 4-hour change in state of delivery. Yo, what up, Snowman? Let me fix this so it doesn't keep disconnecting my mouse. Good morning, Javier. Alright, that should fix it. So I'm watching this. We have that 4-hour change state of delivery I was talking about. So if you measure out standard deviations, you could see we could extend up down to that fourth one. Another thing to note is we had this nice 1 hour fair value gap that formed with this placement. So that's like your 2022 model, because sweep, break, fair value gap. So we might be drawing down to this, but let me know what you guys think. Yeah, good morning everyone. 1 hour for value gap. I still don't know why chat's not working on my computer, but it is what it is. And then you'll know as well, so this 1 hour for value gap, you'll note that we have a really nice flow state model within here where we sweep these highs and then here's the change to delivery, and look how perfect this is. We retest the change state delivery right there, and then we hit all the standard deviations. first hit, the second hit, third hit. So I'm watching this fourth one. So yeah, you can see how perfectly this got hit. See how perfectly this got hit. And this one. Let me know what you guys think, though. That's just my very, very brief pre-market analysis. I did not do a ton of pre-market analysis today. You know what would be kind of cool? Not saying we would get it, but if we came up, swept all this liquidity into the change state delivery, I'd kind of like almost maybe consider trying to enter this model later. The last leg up looks like inducement to trap buyers. The last leg up, this one. Anyway, we do have these low resistance highs. We did just sweep out this low. So I'm gonna get rid of this for now, so I don't stay biased for too long. Because we did just break. We did break this high here. So we broke this high, we swept out this low, so it's very possible that we're going to expand up first. It's very possible. So hang on a second. I'm going to I am going to get out my Tradevate. Yeah, it does look like that, to be honest. Put chat right here. Once again, chat's not working on my computer for some reason. I don't know why. The thing I don't like about chat on my phone is it tells me how many people are watching, and I don't like it. I'd rather just not know. But anyway, let me make sure I have figured out how many contracts I'm gonna buy and which accounts I'm trading. So I'm going to switch my screen so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So I'm going to go over here. So number 7, number 15, 15, 14, and 35, 6, 1, 1, 1. So once again, just doing 9, as I have been the past few days. Nine. $45, $54. Okay, we are good with that. I don't know why my back kind of hurts. It doesn't help that this chair is probably not the best for my back, but whatever. Okay. I'm trying to clean up my desk just a little bit. Okay, so let's talk about what we got going on. So we did sweep these lows. Maybe was this a higher time frame gap? I am, once again, higher time frame I'm bearish, but in the short term I'm wondering, are we going to move higher? That's basically what I'm looking at. This looks like so maybe this will be a 1 minute change day delivery here. To take us higher. Interesting. It's good to make observations. So why is chat not working on my computer still? Okay, anyway. We did sweep out this low, break this high. Yeah, I've tried refreshing and I don't know why it's not. I think I would have to stop the stream and start it up again. I don't like knowing how many people are watching, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. So we did sweep out this low. We broke this high. But I am wondering, are we going to test this 1 minute change day delivery, right? Not gonna lie, I'm feeling kind of out of it. I think I'm just going to try and restart the stream. I'm going to restart the stream because I want to